कैजा सर नमस्ते। B2B जिम फिटनेस वेलनेस लाइफस्टाइल में आने के लिए धन्यवाद।
माय प्लेजर। आप
सर
हमारे लिए बहुत खास हो धवल। एज अ स्टूडेंट, एज अ टीम मेंबर, okay, as an independent businessman who still is considered as a team member by us, and we are very proud of you. सर
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
इनवाइट बिकॉज आपने इनवाइट किया, हम डेफिनेटली आएंगे। ओके,
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक्स।
व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ब्रांड म्हणजे काय? तो कभी कभी लड़के मेरे पास आते हैं फॉर करियर काउंसलिंग। सर मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्या करेगा, मेरे को एक ब्रांड बनाना है। दिस इज अ रबिश थिंग। ब्रांड बनाना मतलब क्या है? नो अच्छा, नाउ व्हाट आर द ब्रांड्स वी नो ऑफ? Mercedes Benz, BMW is a brand, Diesel Jeans is a brand, Levi's is also a brand, but Diesel is a premium brand, Louis Vuitton, a brand. So with brands, a Mobla pen, that's a brand. Okay, and people normally when they talk about brands is, so when somebody buys a Louis Vuitton bag, it may be a purse that is this small. कितने का है? So the guy says it's a Louis Vuitton. कितने का है? ये 3 लाख का है। 3 लाख? पागल आदमी, तुम एक पर्स के लिए 3 लाख दे रहा है, क्या पागल है? No, we are paying for a brand. And what does that mean? So Louis Vuitton was a bag manufacturer for the kings. I don't know which king, Louis the कोई तो भी नंबर है, उसके लिए bags manufacture करता था। When he started off, so he's basically just a bag maker in a king's court. Okay, so all these brands that I spoke of, Jimmy Choo, shoes worth, I mean shoes का pricing अगर देखेगा तो 2 लाख का शू, 3 लाख का, 4 लाख का शू देता है। So Jimmy Choo, these people never ever said the word brand, कभी नहीं बोला। अब I don't know them, but I'm telling you, मैं खातरी के साथ बोल सकता हूँ उन लोग ने कभी नहीं बोला ये। The world started calling them a brand. They didn't say I want to start a brand. So Jimmy Choo would not say I want to start a shoe brand. He just was a cobbler's son, and he wanted to manufacture shoes, and he wanted to make the best shoes he could, non-compromising. मेरा नाम है इसके ऊपर और ये जूते बनेंगे with the finest of materials, finest कारीगरी। The iPhone is a brand, Apple is a brand, but never Steve Jobs के मुंह से नहीं निकला होगा, कभी भी नहीं निकला होगा मेरे को एक ब्रांड बनाना है। अरे ऐसा नहीं रहता है। It is just non-compromising. That is what a brand is. A brand is not defined by the things it does. A brand is defined by the thing it never does. आपका लिस्ट होना चाहिए, हम ये कभी नहीं करेंगे, हम ये कभी नहीं करेंगे, इसका लिस्ट होना चाहिए। That is what defines you as a brand. हम कभी क्यों नहीं करेंगे? बिकॉज हमारा उसूल है और ये उसूल टूटेगा नहीं, हम नहीं करेंगे। मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज में एग्जाम्पल्स दिए जाते हैं। स्टीव जॉब्स का भी एक एग्जाम्पल है कि एक फोन में अभी कभी कभी क्या होता है कि एग्जाम्पल्स आर रिटन अबाउट अ मैन, हुआ भी नहीं रहेगा शायद, बट इट्स रिटन अबाउट हिम, but it's written about him because he's that kind of a person who is capable of doing this. But then many more stories start coming up about him. So as the story goes, and it was one management student had told me कि सर आप जो बोल रहे हो ना, ये आपको मैं बताता हूँ, हमारे मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज में ये एक एग्जाम्पल लिया गया है ऑफ स्टीव जॉब्स। तो मैंने बोला क्या एग्जाम्पल है? Steve Jobs was looking at the assembly line of the new iPhone that was there. Looking at the assembly line, और अंदर circuitry में apparently inside, I don't know whether it was the iPhone or whether it was a laptop or what, I don't know. अंदर के circuitry में एक येलो कलर का वायर था और एक ब्लू कलर का वायर था। So Steve Jobs happened to ask whether this color coding is necessary, मतलब एक ब्लू एक येलो किसके लिए, कुछ डीमार्क पता नहीं they are both ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So he stopped the production of the whole thing because he wanted both the wires to be of a particular color. It's inside. बाहर से नहीं दिखता है. And he was termed as mad and he was blamed for a lot of loss because he stopped the whole assembly, he scrapped the whole thing and he said, पूरा वापस बनाओ. Now such people are considered to be mad, पागल, सनकी, impractical. अरे कौन देखता था, कौन किसी को देखता था, कितना करोड़ों का लॉस किया ये दो वायर के ऊपर, ऐसा तो कोई करता है क्या? And then when he passes away, when he creates a brand that everybody says is a brand, तभी लोग इसका ही लाल करते हैं. At that time the guy gets galis. And for him the logic behind this is customer को नहीं दिखेगा, मेरे को दिख गया ना, मेरे को अभी दिख गया, अभी आगे नहीं जाए because customer may never open the laptop, customer may never, but I have seen it, now I can't ignore it, now correct it. So Steve Jobs has only said that the mark of a craftsman, so he takes the example of a cabinet. अगर wall cabinet है, right? तो normally wall cabinets में देखा होगा कि तीन बाजू से पॉलिश होता है. चौथी बाजू जो wall के अगेंस्ट जाती है उसके ऊपर पॉलिश क्यों वेस्ट करने का? It is going to be attached to the wall. But a real कारीगर will never leave one surface unpolished. It doesn't matter if that surface is not going to be seen by anybody. He is making it and he sees that surface is unpolished. It is not going to go out of his shop like this. Brands का seconds आता है, as in brands के जो reject रहते हैं ना, rejected goods, rejected माल, वो भी बिकता है, आधे प्राइस में, पौने प्राइस में बिकता है. So whenever you go to these shops, they will tell you, I will give you a, so diesel jeans are 20,000 rupees का diesel jeans आता है, it's on a very high side. तो वो तुमको diesel jeans देगा और बोलेगा ये जो है ना, this is I'm giving this to you at 2,000 rupees. It's an original diesel. You know, how do you give an original diesel for 2,000 rupees? So he said, आपको दिखेगा भी नहीं, ये इतना छोटा धागा जो आपको दिख रहा है, ये इसके लिए ये रिजेक्ट हुआ है माल. That is what you are paying for. So whenever something which is a real brand, unfortunately people don't understand why we pay 10 times more for a real brand, because they are willing to scrap the entire consignment if there is one small little thing which you cannot see. They are seeing what even the customer cannot see. They are seeing and they are saying this cannot go out of our workshop. This cannot be sold because it is not perfect. It has got a flaw.
Right.
And when you are, so I love buying branded things because I know the work and passion that has gone behind it. It's not that I can't write. So I started getting, when I started understanding what brands are, I started getting attracted to them and I wanted to support them. So as my budget grew and I could buy things of value. So earlier I also used to think, man is crazy or what? So the first time I saw a Mobla pen and I asked a person, what is so great about Mobla or whatever? And they spoke about the tradition and the quality of the pen and all that. And I asked, how much does it cost? Some 35,000 bucks. I said, pagal hai kya? 35,000 bucks? Kaun pen ke liye? And when I could afford it, I ended up buying it. Because by that time, my concept had changed. I agree, I can write beautifully with a 3,000 rupee pen. I agree, I can write beautifully with a 2 rupee pen, Reynolds. I agree. But I have the budget and I want to buy something of value. Something that has been made with such beautiful precision. कितना और अगर ये बनाते बनाते अगर कुछ थोड़ा भी कुछ एक quarter of a millimeter का भी अगर कुछ फ्लॉ है, उन लोग नहीं बेचेंगे. उन लोग को डब्बे में डाल देंगे, बेचेंगे नहीं. That attracted me. That if I have the money, I should buy one.
Right.
And this is what makes a brand. We will never sell, even if there is a. It doesn't matter if the customer can see. The people who can never make brands are the people who, जब तक कोई चीज अभी मालूम है कि फ्लॉ है, मालूम है कुछ गलत गया है, कस्टमर को मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा तो बेचो. But a brand will never sell. So K11 will never have a power yoga course. Will never have. Demand कितना भी होने दे. It is wrong. It is wrong. नहीं.
Right.
K11 will never go online education. And even now, though we are online, we are not online education. We are two-way, face-to-face teachers. And we manage that. And that is why we are okay with the virtual. Practical training cannot be done virtually. Our students don't have equipment at home. So practical training के लिए हमारे schools में आना ही पड़ेगा.
Right.
2 महीना तो आना ही पड़ेगा हमारे schools में. So being non-compromising, no means no. We are not going to do it. Some student says हमारे बैच में बराबर से नहीं सिखाया. हमारे 10 lectures repeat करो. हम करेंगे वो repeat 10 lectures. 2003 से लेके हमने कभी एक student को refuse नहीं किया है. Many people, when I tell them, so there have been a lot of boys that I've encouraged कि ठीक है तू equipment बना रहा है, I will promote. मतलब तू अच्छा काम कर रहा है technically. But I only tell them one thing, boss. If I tell you to take something back, ना सवाल नहीं, just take it and replace it. Customer अगर तुम्हारा बोलेगा कि बराबर नहीं है, फटाक से ले लो, because you are now establishing yourself. तो सर वो बड़े बड़े ब्रांड कर सकते हैं सर, हम नहीं. ऐसे बड़ा बड़ा ब्रांड कौन बनता है जो पहले दिन से करता है. Sometimes they cut corners and they say आप जो बोल रहे हो एक बार हम ब्रांड बन जाएंगे तब. अरे भाई, you have to act non-compromising from day one. That is when you become a brand. You have to be ambitious about quality. Not about and growth mindset नहीं होना चाहिए. Growth mindset is very dangerous. Growth mindset से growth जरूर होता है, मगर एक बार वो grow होता है ना, संभाल नहीं सकते लोग. It crashes. Whereas have the excellence mindset, have the becoming better mindset, because there you are only focusing on what you have and you're trying to excel at it and make it better and better and better and better.
Right.
Growth अपने आप होता है.
Right.
But not by power of now. अभी जो हाथ में है उसको so many students they keep on cursing what they have and thinking about what they don't have. Whereas what they have is going out of their fingers right now. Thinking about growth means you are not thinking about what you have. So don't think about growth. You will grow. If you think about growth also, you will grow, but you will crash. You will grow too big for yourself and you will crash. नहीं संभाल पाओगे. Because quality की तरफ है ही नहीं. और अगर बिना quality को maintain किए अगर आप grow करते हो तो इसको growth नहीं बोलते हैं. The quickest growing thing in the body is a cancerous cell. So cancerous growth is also growth. You don't want that. Don't grow like cancer. Grow like a muscle cell. Whatever it is growing productively and is growing with quality. No drop in quality. Today I can very, very proudly say that we've grown. Definitely we've grown. We used to have 4 teachers. Today we've got 55 teachers. And guess what? The quality of the 55 teachers is better than those 4 teachers. So we've not even grown we've grown in quantity, but at the same time grown in quality. Our today's teachers, Dhaval, अभी का जो young lot है ना, who have become teachers, अरे अलग ही level के. for the first time in the history of K11, my teaching team knows more than me. They research more than me.
Wow.
They teach me. They tell me, sir, this research, that research, sir, this what this, and I rely on my teaching team to just. So sometimes when I come across a question, I know something is right, but I don't know why it is right. I leave it to my teaching team. I say, research this and please get back to me, and they find me the answers.
Super.
They are amazing in biochemistry right now. They're amazing in physiology. उनका knowledge base, तो जो भी मैंने सिखाया है, they did not stop there. That is the lucky part. They
Right.
kept on evolving. Today, everything that they know is not everything that I've taught. What I've taught also they know. And they know a lot more. Today, 100% every teacher in K11 knows more than me about the sciences.
Wow.
They're all experts, solid experts. And that's another thing. People don't want smarter people than them. It is a very sad thing. That's another thing you learn from great CEOs. They only want people smarter than them. They don't want people who they have to bloody teach. They want people that they can learn from. One of the greatest management examples that you can take is from Emperor Akbar. So Emperor Akbar and his 9 jewels in their domains knew more than Akbar, and that is why they were in his court.
Right.
Akbar was not the smartest in his court,
Right.
and people
Nobody
are
was
thinking
better.
कि मेरे दरबार में I should be the smartest. तभी आप नहीं जाओगे आगे.
Right. Right.
It is a quote by one of the greatest managers of all times, the CEO of General Electric. If you are the smartest man in the room, he's talking about a conference room of a company. He says, if you are the smartest man in the room, you're in trouble. You want people smarter.
Right.
So yeah, this is my thing about quality and growth and being a brand. You become a brand. You don't aim to be a brand, and you don't call yourself a brand. Other people have to call you a brand.